Okay, so we've got our two entries for accounts receivable and Norma Dirks. Time to prove our transactions, right? And I'm going to do a little maneuver here. I don't really quite know how to do this quite properly. I'm going to start a new sheet here. All right. And I'm going to go and grab what I've done so far and watch this. Insert. Screenshot is right here, screen clipping right here, and it goes back here. And although it's wiping out my, hold on a second, let's go back there. It's just a little bit off. It had my thing in the way. There we go. That should work. All right. Insert screen clipping in Excel. There we go. Let's go grab our transactions here, like so. Maybe make that screen a little smaller, teeny bit. There we go. All right. And my scale is just a teeny bit off. My columns. That's close enough. All right. Let's see here. I'm totaling my general debits equal 415 plus 600 plus 500 plus 300 plus 650 plus 480 plus 220 plus 1500 plus 150 plus 800. All that stuff in general debits. 5615, slide over here, equals, Reardon equals 2800. This is general credits, by the way. 600 plus 255. Yeah. Sales credit, 2,500 plus 480 plus 150, 3,130 equals my general cash debit, 2,800 plus 2,500 plus 255. Cash credit, my scaling's a little off here, but you can forgive me for that. 415 plus 500 plus 300 plus 650 plus 220 plus 1500 plus 800. 4385. Now let's go see what I got for debits and credits. My total debits are going to equal general debits plus cash debits. General credits are going to equal that plus that plus that. 11,170. Do I balance? I hope, I believe, I think. Okay, let's go back into MindTap. Total 5615. I'm going to bounce back and forth here and just kind of peek. 3655. I could have done the same thing with a calculator. 3130. I just use Excel formulas because that's what I'm familiar with. 5555. And 4385. All right, come down here. 5165. General debit, general credit 3655. Sales credit 3130. Cash debit 5555. Cash credit. I'm just transposing, taking all those numbers and dropping them down below here. My total was 11,170. 170 and 11,170. Debits equal credits from my first page of my journal. Should be good to go. Grade step 1. How do we do? I forgot my, oh, look at that. I went in a hurry. Oh, I forgot my labels. Oh, my goodness. Carried forward. Bad me. I forgot Norma Dirks. The reference was C7. I should have put 27 carried forward. I got a 2.65 on that. My totals match, though. I think. Wait a second. I didn't like 5165. Oh, look what I did. I transposed. I put 5615 Should have been 5165. Click here, click to hide correct answer. Oh boy, okay. Well, it liked my totals there, my general totals I transposed. We'll talk about transposing later. What happens when you mess up? Next step. Journalize transactions. On page 2, journalize the remaining transactions. I'm not going to mess up this time. 29, receive cash on account, accounts receivable. Let's spell it right, Reardon. K, SPA, debit, 150. Oh, wait, receive cash on account. We're crediting an asset, accounts receivable, receiving cash for 150. Document number, I'm not going to miss another one here, by the way, R3. Then number 30, receive cash from sales, 625, cash, 625, document number T30. And because my accounts already have special accounts for those, I'm just going to put a check mark. Source documents are shown above, receipt, blah, blah, blah. So I just posted those last 2 entries. Okay, I think we're good here. Grade step 2. Can't miss anything on that, please. How can I be wrong? 3 out of 3. Next step. All right, total and prove. Page 2, prove cash. Okay, what are my totals? I think I can maybe get this. So on the 30th, I'm going to say totals. Now notice that April 27th brought forward my previous totals, right? From the previous page. So I've got 5615. I've got 3655 plus 150, which is 3805. 3130 plus 625, 3755. 5555 plus 150 plus 625. What is that? 555 plus 150. I'm going to do some math here. 555 plus 150 plus, hang on there, Reardon, 625. What is that total? I'm going to use my sum command here. 6330. Okay, 6330. And then 4385. Now that's pretty involved. I'll bring my totals down to 5615 debit, 3805 credit, 3755 credit, 6330 debit, 4385 credit. Total, I see if I add those up, 11,945. We'll do this a little bit slower in class. You can get out your adding machine. Okay, I got 3805 plus 3755 plus 4385. Auto sum 11,945. 11,945. Those total. Okay. Cash on hand at beginning of month. Let's go back to page 1. I didn't have any cash on hand at the beginning of the month. Thank you very much. That would be 0. Total cash received during the month. That'd be my debits for cash. Total cash credited for the month, 4385. Net difference, 6330. Whoops. 6330, 4385. The difference, the end of the month, my cash should be my debits minus my credits, 1945. Cash balance end of month, prove cash. Did I mess up somewhere? Where's, save and continue. The balance of the next unused check stub is 1945. It just gave that to me. Oh, that was nice of them. All right. Cash balance beginning was 0. Okay. How did I do? Other than messing up way back on step 1, right? Grade final step. I've got my cash totals. I got my debits equal my credits. I've proved cash. I've totaled my journal, proved my journal. Say grade final step. How did I do? Did it mark me wrong? Total points 2 out of 2, 2 out of 2. Wait a second. What happened? Oh boy. I put them in the wrong columns. Total cash. Oh, I see what I did wrong. Total cash paid, cash balance at the end of the month. Okay. I put them in the wrong columns. When I do that in class, I'll have it in the right columns. I should have put 6330 down here. Total cash paid out 4385, 1945, and then take that and match that up with the unused check stub. All right. I learned. That's why this is a practice assignment. Okay. Now I can do this in the class, in front of the class really well. Thank you for watching. It goes to show you I'm not perfect. Right on. Take care.